Let's take a look at some awesome Western design templates together in Kittl. These Western designs have been super popular over the recent months, and I haven't gotten any sense that they're going to go down in popularity. If anything, I've actually been seeing more of them. And if you find yourself wanting to do this kind of trend or sell these kind of products, but you don't know how to design them, this is perfect for you. We're gonna take a look at a couple of different design templates, how to edit them, and then put them on some different products, maybe a shirt, a hat, you can put them on a tote bag or a poster. So let's get into it. So if we head over to our templates page, we can actually just type in Western, and we already have a lot of really awesome Western designs. Now, there are a couple of different styles here. Like some of these are a little bit more illustrated, have more colors, and then I've noticed that if we scroll down a little bit, we get some stuff like this that are more the vector style, more 1 or 2 color designs. That's kind of cool. Stuff like this. These templates are also really nice. This style is pretty big right now. People are really liking the Western style clothing. Oh, here's one of mine right here. This is nice. Right here. This one. This is also a really nice illustration. You'll find that some of them use the same illustrations that we and our art department uploaded or made. For example, there's this guy on the horse, and here's the same horse here, but a different design. And let's just say that I wanted to use this design right here. I really like this design. I feel like I could make a whole little merch line off of literally just this. So let's say, for example, I'm just gonna click this and get rid of this texture for right now. I don't really need it. And then I do like these colors. If you're somebody kind of like me that struggles with colors a little bit, we do have our color palette tool right here that you could go through and find some nice colors of things. This is really nice, but I'm gonna stick with this for right now. And I need to come up with a name for this. So let's just say something like Saddle Sun. We can keep that as Ranch. And let's just click in here and say something like Riders Club. I've been seeing a lot of Riders Club stuff. I think that's super awesome. And we made that up just now, so we're gonna say something like EST 2024, adjust this little text box right here. And we could say something like Riders of all skill welcome. And I just want to close that line spacing a little bit. I like a little bit tighter line spacing on some things. Might actually make this smaller, bring this guy up, and I can select my whole design, Command G, center this up. And now I think it's just time to put it on a shirt and see what it looks like. So we're going to mock this up. And I like to try to find a mock-up where it's an actual person. The flat lays are nice, but I like to actually see it in context. So let's try something like this. Maybe make it a little smaller. And that's just really awesome. Like in a matter of just a few minutes, I've got my first t-shirt design, and I already have ideas for different things that I can do, like hats and hoodies and whatnot. Let's say we want to go back to the editor and we want to copy this, and then I can just select these things, ungroup them, get rid of that, and scale this down. And let's just say I want this to be the design on the front of the shirt. So I can have that grouped up and in the center. And we'll select this artboard, click Mockup, find another nice mock-up of somebody wearing it, and we've got a nice little front chest design there. I could also see this on a hat as well. So I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna find a hat. That first one might work. Yeah, we're gonna use this first hat right here. And personally, I'd like a trucker hat for this one, but we currently don't have any trucker hat mock-ups, so we're gonna use this guy. I could see this being embroidered. Maybe on like a rounded bill cap. That would be super awesome. But, you know, just in a couple of minutes, we've got a back t-shirt design, a front t-shirt design, and a hat design ready to go. Small little launch to a new clothing brand just with this one template. Let's go back to our template search again and see what else we can find and work with. Something like this definitely looks kind of Western. It's not a cowboy or a hat or a horse, but it definitely has that kind of Western illustration vibe. So we're gonna click this and release this texture and get rid of that. Click in here and just say something like Western Flyers Club. I like the clubs. Maybe I can size this up just a tad. And we're just gonna type in here something like flying high in the heat freedom, just something random. And then since that text doesn't quite get there, we can size it up a little bit to right there. You could type in here like FLYERS. And I'm just gonna delete this, group these, and copy this guy over to this side. Maybe it needs to go over to the right a little bit. Something like that looks sick, and I wanna mock it up. I'm actually seeing this in kind of maybe a brown color, something like a faded brown. We can just get rid of that fill color and then select our design. And then I wanna do this in like a nice off white. And then we can mock this up. Let's find a nice hoodie. Let's try this one, and that looks pretty sick. I would definitely wear that. So that's the back of our hoodie, and like before, we're gonna go back to our editor, and let's say that I want to copy this, and then I can like get rid of my text, boop, and say that this is my logo, and I just wanna mock this up on the front of a hoodie. We can use this guy, and there's our logo design on the front. Pretty cool. So let's go back to our templates one more time and see if we can find a third design. This kind of design with the window shape is very, very popular, not just in Western, but also in just across a lot of styles. So we're gonna do something with this one. Let's just say that I want the shirt color to be kind of like a nice off-white. And let's say that I wanna just click in here and make these more of like an orange color. And then I can make my text out here black. And then maybe I want to change this blue to something else. Like this kind of desaturated brownish color looks kind of nice. And I can grab these stars down here and make it that same color as well, so we match. All right, let's mock this up on something. Find a nice t-shirt. Let's use this guy again. And this is just really, really helpful to see what these would actually look like. That's pretty cool. And for the front of the shirt, we can go back and like before, we're just gonna copy our artboard. I'm gonna get rid of all of this stuff and just have this right here. Group that together, center that up, and that could be the front of our shirt. So we can mock that up as well. And we can try that right here. And that looks perfect. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope this was super helpful. These Western designs are awesome. Go check them out for yourself. Maybe you could even make a couple of templates and share them with the rest of the creators on Kittl as well. If you enjoyed Kittl, drop a comment down below. Let us know if you want to see any improvements, any more different kinds of templates. Let us know that as well. The comment section is there for a reason. It's super helpful for us to collect this kind of data so we know what you guys want so we can make those improvements for you. While you're down there, make sure that you like the video as well. And if you're not subscribed and you've watched this whole video, that doesn't make a lot of sense to me. You might as well just hit the subscribe button. And if you find yourself here and you're not a Kittl user and you've never even heard of Kittl, you've never tried Kittl, Kittl is free to try. Go sign up today. You can try the whole thing for free. There's a free trial there. And if you find yourself liking it, come back, get the code in the description to get a percentage off a pro plan. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.